Hi and welcome to this video where we'll see how to fix unauthorized error messages for an LDAP user who is trying to log in into two-site presentation console. So let's test this use case. We will try to log in with the LDAP user in two-site presentation server console. Here we can see the respective ED user is being authenticated, but the same LDAP user is facing issue with authorization. So from the error message, we can clearly see here the LDAP user is having some issue with authorization profile. So to fix the problem, first we need to find which LDAP group does this LDAP user belong to. And then we need to find, is that particular LDAP group, is it mapped to any particular authorization profile? So we will come back to two-site presentation server console, and this time we will log in with local admin user. After logged in, we just need to confirm whether the LDAP user and the LDAP group is being listed properly in TSP's console. So to confirm that, we need to navigate to administration, user accounts. We need to select the tab search by user. We need to select the correct tenant, and we need to select the correct LDAP user. So we could clearly see here, when we select the LDAP user, the correct LDAP group is being listed. So the next task is we need to assign this LDAP group to a correct authorization profile. So we need to navigate back to administration, authorization profile. So we can add this AD group in any of the authorization profile as per requirement. So for this use case, we will try to add this LDAP group in solution administrator authorization profile. So we will edit this. We will again edit the user group, and we will add the same LDAP group to authorization profile. Save this. So we could clearly see that the LDAP group which we added, it's been listed over here. So now we'll go back. We will log out from the local admin user session. Now since we have added the LDAP group to the correct authorization profile, now which has the correct rights and permissions. So now let's try to log in with the same LDAP user in two-site presentation console. So now we can see we are able to successfully log in into two-site presentation server console with the same LDAP user. This concludes my video. Thank you for watching.